We first flew to Seattle, Washington, where our cruise started. Seattle is such a beautiful city. We enjoyed walking around downtown and exploring with my family. We even walked all the way to the beach. The air was so fresh and we could hear the seagulls calling. I love seeing the ocean, boats, and all the pretty views along the way. In the afternoon, it was finally time to board our cruise ship, the Norwegian Joy. It was huge and so cool inside. We had a balcony room so we could see the ocean every day right from our balcony. It was amazing. Our cruise was 9 days long, starting and ending in Seattle. We sailed to some beautiful places: Ketchikan, Juneau, Skagway, Icy Strait Point, and even saw a glacier. We even stopped by Victoria, Canada, before heading back home. In the next video, I'll show you what we did at each port and share my favorite moments from the cruise. So make sure to like, subscribe, and follow along for part 2. See you soon, my friends. Bye!